outfit Wolf made its appearance in the world of motor racing back in 1976, when the Canadian Walter Wolf founded Walter Wolf Racing. The team took part in the Formula One World Championship for 4 years between 1976 and 1979, with several drivers including the names of Jody Scheckter, Keke Rosberg and James Hunt. 3 wins, one of which at the debut, 1 pole position, 2 fastest lap of the race, 13 podiums, 79 points are the figures of that period. The brand Wolf, with its characteristic golden-black livery, made its comeback in 2009. The Italian team Avalon Formula, led by Giovanni Ballarosa, after buying Wolf rights, decided to start an innovative project, the Wolf GB08. After 31 years from the withdrawal, the Wolf brand back on track and win. The track debut took place on the 25th April 2010 at the Misano World Circuit in occasion of the opening round of the Italian Prototypes Championship. Ivan Ballarosa dominated the whole weekend, securing the pole position and getting the first of a long string of victories. After having won the Italian Prototype Championship in 2010, the Wolf GB08CN proves to be unbeatable in the 2011 and 2012 seasons of the FIA Speed Euro Series, but also wins the Asian Le Mans Series, the Belgian Belcar Championship and the Australian Prototype Series, managing to win and set records in every competition that sees CN class cars, from the VDV to the most prestigious endurance competitions such as the 12 Hours of Abu Dhabi and the 24 Hours of Zolder, without forgetting the victory of Pikes Peak. Meanwhile attracting the attention of VIP drivers like the drummer of Travis Neal Prime Rose that bought a Wolf GB08 himself. Wolf Racing cars are participating in the 83rd 24 Hours of Le Mans on June 14 of 2015, while the attention of the factory is geared to the realization of new models to meet the needs of the American and Asian markets, starting the production also for hill climb races. Among the various new models stands the Wolf GB08 F1 and GB08 SM, which gets the FIA Formula 1 2005 homologation. The big news of 2017 is called Wolf GB08 Tornado, the new 2-seater sport that debuts in March in Australia, immediately impressive for aesthetic and performance, allowing Ivan Ballarosa to graduate champion of the Italian Prototype 2017 with 11 victories on 12 races. The Wolf GB08 Tornado immediately becomes the world reference for the category, proves even faster than the LMP3 class cars, the perfect car for endurance competitions, is evidenced by the championships won in French Ultimate Cup Series, but also in the Italian 2 Hours Endurance Champions Cup and in the Middle Eastern Championship of 2019. 2018, with the right recognition for the quality and performance of its cars, the decision of the Italian Automotive Federation to choose the new Wolf GB08 Thunder as the only sport prototype allowed to compete in the Italian Championships that will take place to 2022. 137 overall victory, 124 pole position, 117 fastest laps, and 13 championships won. These are the numbers of Wolf Racing cars today.